Okay, so we are going to take this -1 and we are going to multiply it through the parentheses. So we have -1 times 1x. So -1 times 1 is -1x. And then -1 times a +9 is -9. And so my answer is -x minus 9. For this one, it's going to be like the one that we did on example C from above. And so we have 2/3 times -3z, and I'm going to put a line through my z so we know it's a z and not a 2. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that over 1 since we're dealing with fractions. And then I have -6/1 times 2/3. And I multiply straight across on top and on bottom. So I have 2 times -3 is -6, and we keep my z. 3 times 1 is 3. And then the top and bottom of the second fraction, and include that negative in there, or that subtraction sign in there, because we're going to use that like it's a negative. So -6 times 2 is -12. And 3 times 1 is 3. Now we simplify the fraction, and so -3 divided by 3 is -2z minus -12 divided by 3, so we have 4. And so my answer is -2z minus 4. All right, so now we have -1.5 times 8. -1.5 times 8, that is 12. It'll be -12m. And if you don't believe me, we can do 1.5 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 plus 1 is, 8 times 1 plus 4 is 12. And then we have one number after the decimal, so that goes there. And that just leaves our 12. But it's negative because we have a negative in front of our 1.5. And so then we're going to take 1.5, -1.5 times -1n. So negative times a negative is positive. And then 1 times anything is that thing that it's being multiplied by. So 5, and we keep our n. We can't combine an n with an m, so this is my answer.